Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Makita blower is probably one of the most convenient tools you can have for yard work. Cordless leaf blowers have revolutionized lawn care and outdoor maintenance, offering a powerful and user-friendly alternative to gas-powered models. They're lightweight, easy to use, and free from the hassle of cords, making them ideal for quick cleanups around the yard, on the patio, or in the garage. This video will show you everything you need to know. Number 5. Makita XBU03Z18V Cordless Blower. This is the Makita XBU03Z18V LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless blower. It's a powerful tool designed for efficient clearing. This blower is tool-only, meaning the battery is not included. The Makita-built BL brushless motor delivers impressive performance. It can generate up to 459 CFM and 116 miles per hour. This ensures that it can handle various tasks with ease. It features a cruise control lever and variable speed trigger. This allows you to manage both the power and the run time. You can easily adjust it to suit the task at hand. The speed lock feature is designed for continuous operation. This feature provides convenience during extended use. It allows you to maintain a consistent speed without holding the trigger. The inline fan design improves tool balance and ergonomics. This design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. It reduces fatigue and enhances overall control. Despite its power, it has a compact design. Weighing only 6.5 pounds, with a battery, it's easy to maneuver. This makes it a great choice for various outdoor tasks. What we like. This blower features a powerful brushless motor and an ergonomic inline design for better balance. The speed lock is a great feature for continuous operation. If you are looking for a blower that offers both power and ease of use for extended periods, you should consider this one. What people say. The Makita blower takes care of clearing my driveway of leaves and debris with a powerful blowing capacity. The blower itself is light and easy to use. This product truly blew me away. I cannot believe how powerful and how incredibly light this blower is. Number 4. Makita XBU02PT136V Brushless Blower Kit. Introducing the Makita XBU02PT1, a powerful blower kit. This tool is designed to make your work easier and more efficient. Get up to 28 minutes of runtime at mid-speed with two 18V LXT 5.0 Ah batteries. It ensures you can complete your tasks without frequent interruptions. The BL brushless motor delivers impressive performance. It provides up to 120 miles per hour air velocity and 473 CFM of air volume, making it highly effective. Enjoy a quieter work environment with a sound pressure rating of 61 dBA. It's measured per the ANSI 175.2 standard, ensuring it's user-friendly. This blower produces zero emissions, eliminating the need for gas or oil. This design reduces maintenance, saving you time and effort. It features a 6-stage air velocity volume selection dial. Combined with a variable speed control trigger, it offers precise control for any task. What we like. This blower offers a long runtime, allowing you to work longer without interruption. It also boasts high air velocity and quiet operation. If you have a large yard or need to work in noise-sensitive areas, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Makita switch allows me to feather the trigger to corral leaves into a tight pile. I find myself using it with the speed set to 3 or 4 most of the time and on 6 to really blow the leaves up a small hill I have. The speed switch rests right under your thumb while holding the unit and is very easy to rotate with just your thumb. Number 3. Makita XBU02PT36V Brushless Blower Kit. This is the Makita XBU02PT, a 36V brushless blower kit. It offers impressive power and runtime, making it ideal for various outdoor tasks. This tool is designed to make your work easier. Get up to 28 minutes of runtime at mid-speed with two 18V LXT 5.0 Ah batteries. This means less downtime and more productivity. It's a reliable choice for extended use. The BL brushless motor delivers up to 120 miles per hour air velocity and 473 CFM of air volume. It provides the power you need to clear debris quickly and efficiently. This feature ensures a clean sweep every time. With a sound pressure rating of 61 dBA, it operates quietly. This allows you to work without disturbing others. It's designed for user comfort and convenience. Enjoy zero emissions and reduced maintenance. There's no need for gas or oil, making it an environmentally friendly option. This tool simplifies your tasks. Features a 6-stage air velocity volume selection dial with a variable speed control trigger. This gives you complete control over the airflow. It's designed for precision and ease of use. What we like. This blower offers a long runtime, allowing you to work longer without interruption. It also boasts high air velocity and quiet operation. If you have a large yard or need to work in noise-sensitive areas, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This is my first battery-powered yard device and I'm very pleased with the output, duration and ease of use. Trigger is fantastically sensitive, really nice when you need to control getting leaves into a pile right where you want them. It is surprisingly powerful and circumvents the problem electric blowers have in using a long extension cord. Number 2. Makita XBU05Z 18V Cordless Blower. This is the Makita XBU05Z, a powerful cordless blower. It's designed to make your yard work easier and more efficient. The blower features a variable 3-speed motor. It delivers a maximum air velocity of 219 miles per hour, making quick work of leaves and debris. With a 6.0 Ah 18V LXT battery, you can get up to 17 minutes of continuous operation on high speed. Please note that the battery is not included. This blower is compact and ergonomic, measuring only 20 to 38 inches long. It weighs only 4.1 pounds, with a battery, reducing operator fatigue. The rubberized soft grip handle provides increased operator comfort. This design ensures a secure and comfortable grip, even during extended use. What we like. This blower delivers an impressive air velocity. Its compact and lightweight design reduces fatigue. If you need a blower that's easy to maneuver and store, this is the one for you. What people say. It is small, around 20 total, so I really wouldn't even call this a leaf blower, but it moves air. It is very easy to maneuver. No backpack, gas fumes, or hand fatigue. It's light, easy to swing around, and packs a serious punch. Number 1. Makita XBU03SM118V Cordless Blower Kit. Introducing the Makita XBU03SM1, a powerful cordless blower. It's designed to make your outdoor tasks easier and more efficient. This blower features a Makita-built BL brushless motor. This motor delivers impressive performance, providing up to 459 CFM and 116 miles per hour. The cruise control lever and variable speed trigger give you complete control. You can easily manage the power and runtime based on your needs. It also includes a speed lock for continuous operation. This feature allows you to work for extended periods without constantly holding the trigger. The inline fan design ensures better tool balance. It is also compact, weighing only 6.5 pounds, with the battery, making it comfortable to use. What we like. This blower features a brushless motor for efficient performance and a cruise control lever for ease of use. Its compact design makes it easy to handle. If you value convenience and efficiency in your yard work, this is a great option. What people say. I am impressed with the power. It's very light, easy to hold, very comfortable in use, and its smaller length is perfect for my needs. The power, force of air, is very impressive and easily blows out the dead leaves and debris that are packed fairly tight under the evergreen trees. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.